killing two birds at once: efficiency and safety. Special technology increases work efficiency and reduces accidents. MBOLT's M2 panel cutter is safe and easy to use.
In today's busy world, efficient work equates to competitiveness. Accurate and fast cutting is crucial, especially in all fields that involve sheet metal, such as woodworking, furniture manufacturing, and interior design. MBOLT Companies offers an innovative solution that will elevate the processing of various panel metals, including acrylic, to the next level: the M2 panel cutting machine. The M2 boasts exceptional safety and convenience through its operator-friendly design. Its clean-cut surface minimizes the need for post-processing, reducing work time. No more wasted time on the hassle and uncertainty of manual work. The M2 will transform your ideas into perfect results. While the M2 is optimized for acrylic cutting, its applications are limitless. It can safely and easily cut a variety of board materials, including polycarbonate, Fomex, wood, plywood, and MDF, making it ideal for a wide range of industries, including advertising, displays, and building materials. Its user-friendly design allows for easy operation by both experienced and novice users, allowing immediate use on-site without any additional training. The M2 is widely used not only in industrial settings but also in corporate research centers, design departments, architecture departments, and interior design departments at universities for project production. It is also used safely as an educational device in vocational high school laboratories and elementary school craft classes. The dust and odor generated during acrylic processing can be harmful to workers' health. The M2 features a powerful integrated dust collection system that effectively removes harmful dust generated during work. Now, you can work with confidence in a clean and comfortable environment. Furthermore, the machine is equipped with mobile wheels, allowing it to be easily moved and installed wherever needed, maximizing space efficiency.
Hello, we are a company that manufactures aluminum decorative pieces in Gimpo City. We use MBOLT Company's panel cutting machine to conveniently cut MDF, polycarbonate, Fomex, acrylic, and other materials. The M2 can cut a variety of sizes. It also features a built-in dust collector, making it convenient to use even in confined spaces. Its ease of use makes it safe and convenient for anyone. It also runs on single-phase electricity, making it suitable for use anywhere. Its portability makes it ideal for interior design and construction sites. It can even easily cut panels up to 4 by 8 feet. This is the most satisfying cutting machine I've ever used.
Developed and manufactured with MBOLT Company's proprietary technology, the M2 has already helped numerous customers increase work efficiency and discover new possibilities. MBOLT Company is committed to becoming your successful business partner, through continuous technological innovation and prompt customer-focused service. MBOLT Company's M2 panel cutting machine will revolutionize your work environment and open the door to a successful future. Contact MBOLT today.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in